Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this red halation video effect on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, and to the second video you're going to add in blur, and you're going to add it like you're going to type 45%. I don't know why I typed 56, but you're then going to go to filters and you're going to add Gourmet 2 on top of the videos. Select your second video, go to adjustments, go to curves, and you're going to go to the red side and you're going to pretty much follow what I'm doing here. Select the video again, go to blend mode, and then select the, let's see, select the like brighten one and set it to 75%. And that is it. Here's the after, here's the before. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If it isn't red enough, by the way, just go back to adjustments and adjust it here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please click the thanks button about the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!